Bhim Manohar. On behalf of Padma Bhushan Guru Dr. Venkati Chinnasakyam's Kuchipudi Art Academy, I extend a heartfelt welcome to Venkati's Yugadi, the dawn of a new era. To all the Rasikas and viewers, thank you for being the pillars of strength and encouragement to this beautiful art form of Kuchipudi. To celebrate the enduring legacy of the great Kuchipudi legend, Padma Bhushan Guru Dr. Venkati Chinnasakyam Garu, a towering figure whose artistic genius transformed the landscape of Kuchipudi and Indian classical dance. In the wake of his departure to the celestial abode, it was his elder son, Sri Venkati Venkatachalapati, who rose with grace and resolve to carry forward this sacred lineage. Taking over the reins of Kuchipudi Art Academy in 1998, he led with a rare combination of vision, dedication, and deep devotion to the art.
Just to say a few words about Venkati Chinnasakyamji. When I first came here, I was posted in Rajbhavan, Badwarka will know, and it was 1976, and governor's granddaughter wanted to learn dance. At that time I didn't know many dances, so somebody told me about Venkati Chinnasakyam. So I met him and I said, this Radhika wants to learn dance. And he said, she will have to come here. Or I said, can you send some student or somebody and all that. And at that time I asked him, what do you charge for teaching the students? And he said, this academy is free. And then he told me there's a hostel and all the children in the hostel are free. I was shocked that there were so many children in the hostel, they were living there, they were eating there.
Let us now move on to the felicitation. First, we have the honor of welcoming Padma Vibhushan Dr. Padma Subramaniam Garu, the President of Nrityodaya. Has played a crucial role in promoting Indian arts and culture across the globe. His support for classical arts Bharatanatyam exponent and a singer par excellence. Thank you so much.
It's a devotional hymn in praise of Ganesha, the Hindu deity of wisdom and the remover of obstacles.
An award that not only recognizes talent and devotion, but also stands as a beacon of encouragement for future torchbearers of the art. Sri Pasumarthi Kumara Datta with the Venkatachalapati Yuva Puraskar. He ticket of honor, dance bells plated in 18 carats of gold, and a ceremonial shawl. Can we have a huge round of applause as we join this wonderful celebration in the life of
My salutation to that great Kuchipudi Pitamaha of our generation, Ganpati Ji. Our dear Mrs. Venkat, my very dear sister, Mrs. Garyari Ji, Mohammed Ji, my dear sister Revati Ramchandran, the proud young dancer who has received this coveted honor. It is coming from a kshetra. Kshetra means a religious place. Of course, this body is also kshetra, because this is the body which is holding that Lord inside. This body, Shariram Griham, Griham of that Lord. And you have come here and performed in this kshetra where so many young dancers have come up and they are all gurus today. This is a very auspicious place.
Where the blessings of Master is always going to be there, and of course the hundreds of students who have come up from and who are still teaching Kuchipudi. And I am really glad that I came back to Academy after a really long time. And I wish Srimai all the best. And I also wish to congratulate Kumar Datta. He's gone inside for this achievement, for him having received this award here. As Paduka very beautifully said, it is from a place which carries a lot of luck, a lot of goodness, and from Master Garu, and it's like Master Garu's own blessing that has come to him. And I thank you again for having invited me. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.
Beloved students, it gives me immense pleasure to take part in the Ganpati's Ugadi 2025 celebrations. Today's performance by Kumar Datta, Sri Kumar Datta, was wonderful, amazing and mind-blowing one. I did enjoy a lot. I never took my eyes. It was so enjoying. I think you too all enjoyed it. And I wish and pray Almighty Allah, He should attain greater heights, inshallah, in the days to come.
Sincere gratitude to the sponsors of today's program. A heartfelt thank you to Mr. Kovai Balasubramaniam, proprietor of Purva Trading S. Coimbatore, and to the Indian detectives and international investigators, Chennai, for their generous support and thank you once again for your valuable support.
Venkatesh stands tall as one of the most respected costume designers in the field. His long-standing association with the Kuchipudi Art Academy and his commitment to Master Garu's artistic vision have brought to life some of the most iconic moments. We present him with a ceremonial shawl and a memento of appreciation. Let's have a huge round of applause. I request Srimati Revati Ramachandran to honor our beloved Renu C. Bhargavi.
Esteemed members and fellow dancers, today we gather to celebrate, just to honor the memory of a remarkable individual, my brother Mani and Meena, Guruji's elder son. As the secretary of our academy, he dedicated his life for the welfare of the institution and dance community. During the pandemic, when we were all busy struggling for our survival, Aniya was selflessly collecting donations, supporting this dance teachers, providing them some money every month for the basic needs.
I'd like to thank all of you for coming here today. We wish you a very good night and a good day.